Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video we will discuss about how to download and install latest version Python in your Windows operating system. So let's start my video. In the first step, I am show how to download latest version Python setup file. So here I am use Chrome browser for downloading setup file. You can use your favorite browser. In the search bar, type Python download and search it. After searching, several websites will be open. You need to click on the first website python.org. After clicking, we have come to the download page section, and here you can see the latest version Python 3.11.4 will be visible. Simply click on the download button. After clicking, your download will be started. We have already downloaded this file, so go to our download folder and see the installation process. Here you can see our download will be completed and download setup file will be visible in the download folder. For the installation, run our setup file. So double click on it. After running setup file, this page will appear first. Here need to set class path, because without setting class path you cannot run the Python program properly. So simply add python.exe to the path, check this box and simply click on the install button. Accept term and condition. After that your installation process will be started. Wait some time. When our installation completed, I am show how to run Python program in Python. Okay guys, our installation will be completed. Close this menu and go to Windows search bar and type IDLE. IDLE is the by default Python free IDE which is used to run your Python program. So search IDLE and open it. Here you can see our latest version Python will be installed in the our PC, and the Python command prompt will be open. If you write any program in the Python, your output will be visible. But if you want to write the multiple line Python program, then simply click on the file menu, click on the new and write your Python program here, and then click on the run button to run this Python program. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for the watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.